Hi YouTube, today we're gonna be downloading the ProPresenter version 18.1 using a Windows computer for the first time, and let's see how it looks like and what are the things that we'll be able to see inside ProPresenter 18.1. Alright, so this is the welcome page of ProPresenter Renewed Vision at renewedvision.com. So what you can do to go to this website, you just need to search in Google ProPresenter download, and then you'll be able to see it right away on this page. First part of it, you should be able to get to that window. Alright, so to download the app of ProPresenter, you just have to click on the Windows button. You can pull this up, or you can just click on download only. Alright, so that's Windows, so just click on Windows again. Alright, once you downloaded it, you just need to go to your downloads folder. I've already downloaded one before, that's why we got two. So just double click or right click and then go to run as administrator. Alright, so these are the things that you can read for the license agreement. Just click on I accept the agreement, then which place you want the ProPresenter to install, the next. You can click this, but I'm not going to use this because I don't have any files on this computer with the previous version. So just uncheck that, then click on next. Here's so you can actually uncheck those, but that's not a problem for me. So next, then install. It's just gonna take a few seconds. There you go. And then launch. So now we have this screen after we open it up. So since I don't have any account yet online for my subscription, just gonna click on skip for now. Alright, so this is how it looks like when you downloaded it for the first time. It might not be the same as what you're gonna get because you might have your files before with your computer. So sometimes it's just gonna carry over, it's just gonna take whichever files you have or the settings that you have before with your laptop or your MacBook. It's gonna show the stuff that you have before. So mine is different because I don't have anything on my computer, so it's just gonna show stuff in here for library, the playlist and all. Alright, so just gonna go through that. We have the search button for songs, we have the fonts, we have the theme, show, we have the edit, we have the reflow Bible. We also have a bunch of stuff to edit the stage look, the theme editor. We have CLI, how it looks like, props, and mass editor. And going back to the page, we have the library here. It's gonna show a bunch of things in here like the scriptures, the songs. You can save that on here. And the playlist is that you can just rename this like Sunday service, because usually we use this so we can get all the things that we need for that day. They usually show on here. We have we can add the header, we can add new placeholder for your presentations. Now you can add presentation on there, and then the theme. Alright, we don't have anything yet. And we have here down below the media bin where you can add your moving backgrounds and your photos and all. You can add the video input. You can have your ATEM mini connected here. You can add that here. And this is where you see the screen. You know, that's where the things on the stage or on your LED or projector will show. This the view, the audience and the stage view. You can turn that on and off. Here down below in the lower right part, you can see the bin for your audio. Maybe you can put in some music. Here's the stage screen, how your stage will look like. Here's the timer, and this how you can send a message on the screen for timers or reminders. The prop, you can usually use this for announcements, and the macro button where you can create a macro so that you can set anything that you can set for it. Like you can add action for it when you click that macro. There's a ups in here like audience look, a stage look, or maybe trigger the timer, or trigger the message, or add a playlist to trigger the sound. There's a bunch of stuff you can add this video as well, so there's quite a lot in that one. So that's the main page where you can get. And let's go to the settings here. Alright, here on settings you can see the general settings. You can add your logo here. You add a photo in there. It's gonna be your logo. That's gonna go here in this part. When you clear the logo, it's gonna show the one that you have placed on that. Right, and you can edit the layout for your copyright, the CCLI license number. You can edit that here, how it looks like, what are the things on it. Alright, here's the update tab. The screen tab, this is where you assign the screen. If you have multiple screens, it's gonna show up on there. It's the stage screen. You can set that up too. If you have multiple stage display, you can set that up from there. Audio, this is where you set up your audio coming in and out. The network, for syncing things on the network for other computers to sync. This is for the Aircast receiver. It works like an Apple TV. This is for your audio input for your ATEM Mini, and a whole bunch of stuffs in here that you can check out. Like you can configure these groups for your songs, something like that. Alright, that's all for this one. It's a most basic things that you can find in ProPresenter once you've downloaded it. If you want to learn more about what we can do with the display or other things that we can add on our presentation on ProPresenter, let me know. You can like this video, you can share it, and see you next time. Goodbye.